A while ago, I was that mum, stressing, wondering what can I do to make a better living for my children, spending more time with them, creating financial freedom for them. I didn't know I was scrolling on Facebook, on platforms, looking for something to do for an extra income. Hi guys, I'm Marita. I'm a digital marketer. I work online 2 hours a day on my phone, and I'm not looking back. I have more time for myself, more time. I work from home, and if you also want to do this, I can help you. Step by step guidance. I will love to help you. I will love to help anybody who's struggling, anybody who's saying, but what if? What if I take a chance and it doesn't work? What if it does work? Ask yourself the question. It's not impossible. You put in the work, 2 hours a day, and it really works. It really works. I would love to help you anytime. Just drop a ready in my comments and I'll come back to you.